I'd just like to take a moment to talk about the flow test function on CleanSpace. Now you'll notice on the control panel that we have two buttons, the on button. We also have the button marked flow test. Now all PAPRs under the requirement under the standards needs to have the ability to test the flow of the product to ensure that we have the correct airflow coming through to meet the standards requirements for the product. Typically flow testers are a tube with a ball and a line type system where you would put it in the device, turn it on, and the ball goes over the line. That would signify that we have sufficient flow. With CleanSpace, each CleanSpace product will come with this yellow clip, which is actually the same clip that we use for our masks. It has a reduced opening, okay, and the CleanSpace product is calibrated to the airflow that comes through that opening. So to conduct a flow test, we turn on the button, the on button, which activates the device. We fit the flow test clip to the left side bellows. Now this is where the airflow is coming. There's no airflow on this side of CleanSpace. Okay? Now with the device turned on, and we can see it's on because the green battery lights are indicated, we press and release the flow test button. Now you can hear that CleanSpace is flowing flat out. It's going to do that for about 10 seconds. And at the end of that, we're going to get either 1, 2 or 3 green lights. And you can see that the green lights have gone off quite quickly. But we actually had 3 green lights there. 3 green lights signifies that we have excellent flow. That's the flow that we would expect to see. The ball, if I can use this as an analogy, the ball is well above the line. If the ball was sitting on the line, we're going to have 1 light. Okay? If the ball went under the line, which means the flow is dropping under the requirement of the standard, the 3 green lights are going to flash and the red filter blockage light is going to illuminate. Okay? Now if that should happen, what we're doing is we're essentially testing the battery charge and we're testing filter blockage. Okay, so if you have a situation where you do a flow test and the 3 green lights flash at you, the first thing to do would be to check your battery charge, recharge your battery, and check the condition of your filter.